And all new tonight, setting a new record. This is crazy. The average price of a single-family home sold in Denver last month topped $500,000 for the first time.
Denver 7's Lance Hernandez is live tonight looking at just what this means for buyers, for sellers, and for renters. Lance?
Well, home prices have been skyrocketing for quite some time, but still, that $500,000 mark is a barrier of sorts, an emotional and psychological barrier.
It's a little bit of a shock for people moving into this market.
Realtor Libby Levinson says it's a big adjustment for people who move here or who try to move back here.
I have some clients that I've worked with took advantage of the market, sold their home to be closer to family, and 3 years later they're really missing Denver and they miss Colorado and they want to move back, and they're priced out of the market now.
The latest Market Trends report shows the average price of a single-family home sold in the 11-county metro area last month was over $502,000, a nearly 12% increase over last year.
That's horrible. Who can afford that?
Mary Mascarenas is a native Coloradan who feels home prices are pushing longtime residents out, especially those on fixed incomes facing higher property taxes or higher rents.
Houses in Pueblo are way cheaper.
It's the same story with condos. Last month, the average condo sold for $345,000 some dollars, up nearly 17% from a year ago. Homeowners are very happy. They're seeing nice returns on homes they purchased 10, 15, 30 years ago.
Home buyers, this is a tough one. They are having to get a little creative.
Levinson says some buyers are taking on a renter or two to help offset costs.
Now, Levinson also says that it may be 10 years before we see the housing market correct itself from the current low inventory rates that we have right now. I asked if that means we'll see prices continue to escalate for the next 10 years. She says she doesn't have a crystal ball, but they don't expect things to slow down. In Denver, Lance Hernandez, Denver 7.
Wow.